This video, let's go over some Chinese words we usually use at the office. First one, office, 办公室. My office is near my home. 我家离我办公室很近. I'm excited to see your new office. 我很开心看到你的新办公室. It will take me 15 minutes to arrive at office. 15分钟就到我办公室. Go to work. 去上班. I'm going to work at 9 a.m. every day. 我每天9点上班. I don't go work on the weekend. 我周末不上班. I only work on the weekdays. From Monday to Friday. 我周一到周五上班. Off work. 下班. I will be off work at 6 p.m. today. 我今天6点下班. Overtime. 加班. Tomorrow I will be having to work overtime. 明天我加班. Work. 工作. I work as a doctor. 我是医生. I work as a teacher. 我是老师. I'm not yet working. I am still a student. 我还没开始上班，我还是个学生。Colleague. 同事. My colleagues are fun to work with. 跟我的同事一起工作很开心。I just met my new colleague today, and she's pretty. 我刚才见到了我的新同事，她很漂亮。I have colleagues that comes from all over the world. 我的同事来自世界各地。Salary, 工资。When is our salary coming? 我们什么时候发工资？ Which day do we usually get our salary every month? 我们每个月几号发工资？ My salary is better than my previous job. 我工资比之前高。Meeting, 会议。We have meeting every Monday on each week with the team. 我们每周一和团队开会。Okay, so what have you learned? If our video has helped you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you have any video topics you want to watch in our upcoming videos, leave your comment below, because we will create for you. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please hit the subscriber bell button below. And if you think the video can benefit to someone, please share our video to them so that we can help more and more Chinese learners on their Chinese learning journey. And I will see you on our next videos. Bye bye!